Shalom everyone, welcome to IsraeLive, Michelangelo here. Today we are in the beautiful peninsula of Akko. So what do we know about Akko? So this is a peninsula, means a natural port, means that it was interesting and a place that anyone wanted to take a hold on, such as Hellenists, Romans, Crusaders, Mamluk, Ottoman, and many more. Believe it or not, there are even 4 neighborhoods of Italians. They came from Venice, Pisa, Genova, and Amalfi. What are they doing here? Well, they got neighborhoods and benefits from knowing how to battle in the sea, because the residents of Akko here needed their help, so in exchange they gave them neighborhood and autonomy. It's a good deal, right? The city of Akko has a beautiful combination between old and new. For example, these are the old walls of Akko, and these are absolutely new buildings. So what should we do here in Akko? First thing, our must-see site, the halls of the knights. A part of our visit here in Akko is actually underground. We are now in the Templar tunnel. It is a tunnel that originally connected the center of the city to the port. This is actually the place for the Crusaders that used to be here to run away to the port from the fortress in the center of the city in case of an emergency. Yes, in this area we have to bend a bit. This was the pump that actually helps us stay dry here, because otherwise this place would have been very, very wet, because it's a tunnel and naturally it was supposed to be filled by water. Actually, the reason that this place was found was that one of the neighbors up there in the buildings just on top of us had some problems with their sewage. They called the municipality. They asked, hey, what is going on? And when they came inside, they actually saw this entire place. In my tours, we are going underground, we are going on the walls, we are going inside buildings, even on the sea. And of course, wandering around, enjoying the smells, the flavors, the lovely views, and the warm atmosphere that is always a part of this beautiful city. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my Facebook page, you'll be able to find many, many more beautiful videos about our lovely Israel. You want to be a part of it? You want to come joining me traveling Israel? Then press like, contact me, and see you in Israel. Bye-bye.